Daily use English sentences. Mind your language. Mind your language. ज़बान संभाल कर बात करो. Reduce the price. Reduce the price. कीमत कम करो. Is it good? क्या ये ठीक है? Is it good? क्या ये ठीक है? It's your choice. It's your choice. ये तुम्हारी पसंद है. It's a little expensive. It's a little expensive. ये थोड़ा महंगा है. They will arrive at 5 p.m. They will arrive at 5 p.m. वो 5 बजे पहुँचेंगे. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. ये अच्छी बात है. That was my mistake. That was my mistake. वो मेरी गलती थी. Long time no see. Long time no see. काफ़ी अरसा हो गया मिले हुए. Sorry for keep you waiting. Sorry for keep you waiting. आपको इंतज़ार करवाने के लिए माजरत. Some guests are coming home. Some guests are coming home. घर कुछ मेहमान आ रहे हैं. They are coming by train. They are coming by train. वो ट्रेन पर आ रहे हैं. Do the dishes. बर्तन धो दो. How was your travel? How was your travel? आपका सफ़र कैसा रहा? The travel was very peaceful. The travel was very peaceful. सफ़र बहुत पुरसुकून था. Give it up. Give it up. इसे छोड़ दो. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. Wipe your eyes. Wipe your eyes. अपनी आँखें पोंछ लो. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.